Hello friends, today we are going to study how to create a roll-up summary field in Lightning Experience. So let's have a quick revision on that. A roll-up summary field is one of aggregate data from a child object to a parent object that share a master relationship. Roll-up summary fields can use the count, sum, minimum, and maximum functions, 4 of them. For example, we could use a roll-up summary field to display the total value amount from opportunity on a related account. Unfortunately, roll-up summary fields are only available for objects in a master relationship and are not available for those that have a lookup relationship. That's revision. This roll-up summary fields are only available for master relationship or master relationship. Only 25 roll-up summary fields can be created for an object. A master detail relationship cannot be changed to lookup relationship after creating a roll-up summary field because roll-up summary field cannot be created on a lookup relationship. So when you change that, keep in your mind. As you know, in previous videos, we have studied we create lookup summary field between book and student, but we create a master relationship between book and book history. So master relationship, we can check now. We can go to student object and see if there is availability for master relationship. Go to our org and see. Now this is our book history object, and then I will go to book. If I add new field, I think, let me see here if it is, and this is book. Let me see book has any relationship field. Multi-pick list. Book history, multi. Okay, now we can go to our, we create master relationship between, as you can see in book, we have our available, we can create master relationship in book, because what we said is we can create master relationship in master object, and book is our master object. We can create, as you can see, if we create new one, as you can see, roll up summary, we can create, it is available, it is able, so we can go further and count. We can count something which is in related object, like in book history. We can count number of counts or some fields there. Count record, and our field name automatically will be populated. And the most important part is here. Master object is book and summarize object is book history. And then for this, what we want to count? We want to count sum, minimum, and maximum. So I want to count the number of records, like how many books histories we have in the book object. Go next, and it is, as you can see, by default it is read only. You cannot change it. I mean, who uses book, and then save it. Now we can go to, let's create one duplicate, open a new page, and then see our app, My College. and then go to book and create a new book. Book, demo book 15. The price is 25. Discount 20%. Technical, I just will fill in, save it, and go to related. As you can see, we don't have any book, so it will take time, I think, to when we come here. Now go to book history and then create one book history. Issue date is 17, return date is 24, and book is 16. Save it. As this is book history is created, and for which student, book history. Now we can go to book 16, final price. Yeah, as you can see, count record 1, and here we have book history, we have one book. Now I will add one more book for this. New, issue date is 16 and 23. Book is, it is allowed to for reparenting. Actually we reparent that one. Now I will create one more for that. We have one for book 16. Now I will create one more. 16, date is 30, book 16, and go to book related. As you can see, 2. We have, you see, book history. 2 book history we have in book objects. Means like if you create by roll-up summary field, you can count, you can find minimum, maximum value. Now I will enter one more data in book history. I will add one new book. Normally I need to create another field in just to. So new book, issue date is 16 and 22, and which book is 15. Now go to book 15. Book 13, we have no any, as you can see. This book 13 has no any book history, so you can add if you want, like issue date is 31, return date 28, and then as you can see 1 is here. If you just want book 13 and then to add more history, you can add from here, either you can add from here. So this is roll-up summary field, how to create. Now I will go to look at student object and show you if it is possible to see object manager and go to student. If we can find create a new field, as you can see it is not able. We are not able to fill a roll-up summary in lookup field, in master object or parent object, sorry, in roll-up summary, because roll-up summary are available for only in master relationship. So you can also, for example, in book history, if you want to book 13, so if you want to, for example, amount of books, like for each book amount is there, and then the book you want to count amount, that time you can also count amount or maximum value of the book you can find. These are the examples of roll-up summary. So I hope you understood. Thank you very much.